Do you find you struggle with your Chaturanga or your plank position when we're transitioning through maybe in our sun salutations and our vinyasas? We're going to start to break down things from the fingers, through the wrists, into the shoulders, the core, and even the roll of the chin and the neck in this position as we transition. So we're going to come down to the mat. Here we're going to start to set our hands out. We're looking at coming to 11 and 1 with our hands down onto the mat here. We're going to start to bring some engagement and awareness into our fingertips in this position. Here we're going to start to draw circles around those wrists, and as we do, we're starting to build awareness in the fingertips, and in doing so start to build and condition the wrists as we start to create some more mobility, which will be key for that plank position. Let's go in the opposite direction. And then from here, we're going to start to come up further into the chain, working into the shoulders. Here, we're going to start to understand the roll as we roll those shoulders back and press. So we're going to draw the shoulders back, press hands into the mat. We're going to start to build and develop the strength and awareness of key muscles around that shoulder to lock ourselves into this final plank position. We go for a press. We go for a roll and press for 3. And again, 2 and 1. Here, keeping in the same position, the knees stacked underneath the hips, hands remaining on the mat. We're going to allow our chin to drop down towards the mat. And then from here, rather than just tucking the chin in towards the throat, we're going to draw that chin back, pulling the back of the head up towards the ceiling, creating this nice straight line from the top of the head down to the tailbone. We drop the chin forwards, breaking that line, and then we draw the chin back in, thinking about lengthening the back of the neck here. Dropping back down, shoulders remaining wrapped and pressed, we draw the chin in and up. Drop down for 2 and 1, and we hold here. Allow the shoulders to roll up to the ears, then roll and draw the shoulders down, press into the mat. Keep the lock of the shoulders now and drop the chin forwards. And then draw the chin back and think about lengthening the crown of the head away from the hips and the hips away from the crown of the head. We hold this position and we breathe for 3, 2, 1, and relax off. We're going to go through different areas. We're going to build some more conditioning around the shoulders to develop the fundamental strength that we're going to need to hold that final position, and key awareness around the core to finally build that final plank line. If you'd like to see that full episode, you can find that at the One Yoga Studios, and this is part of a series of 9 different videos. Thank you.